Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert a PowerPoint presentation into images using the Syncfusion PowerPoint Library. The Syncfusion PowerPoint Library can programmatically convert a presentation into images. File formats like PPTX, PPTM, POTX, POTM can be converted to images of formats like BMP, PNG, JPEG, and JPG. Please refer to the documentation link in the description below to learn more about this conversion. In this video, I am going to explain the steps to convert a slide into an image. I will also show you how to convert an entire presentation into images. First, I open Visual Studio 2022 and create a new ASP.NET Core Web MVC application. Next, I name my project and continue with the default target framework to complete the project creation. The project is created successfully. To convert a PowerPoint presentation into images in this application, I need the Syncfusion Presentation Renderer library. I can reference it in the project by installing the Syncfusion Presentation Renderer NuGet package. I open the NuGet Package Manager. In the Browse tab, I search for Syncfusion Presentation Renderer Net Core NuGet package and install it in my application. I click OK to complete the installation. The package installation is now complete. Next, I need to register the Syncfusion trial license key in my application. To do that, I open the program.cs file and register a valid license key using the register license method. You can see where to generate this license key by following the link in the video description. Take a look at this presentation. I am going to convert these slides to images. I want this conversion to happen when a button is clicked. So, within this index.cs HTML file, I remove the existing code and define a button with the value ppt to image. Then I define the event handler for this button. Next, I need to define convert to image method in the home controller class. So, I go to the home controller and include the Syncfusion presentation and presentation renderer namespaces. Then, I add a new action method named convert to image. I will read the presentation file using the file stream instance. Here, I am using the PPTX file. Next, I create a new instance for the presentation class and initialize it with the presentation from FileStream. I initialize the presentation renderer instance for converting the presentation to an image. The slide class has a method called convertToImage, which returns the converted image as a stream. Using this method, I convert the first slide of the presentation into an image. Here, I have specified the image format type to export to as JPEG. I initialize the stream position and return the file of specified type. Now, let me save and run the application. I click this button to convert the slide to an image. Opening the downloaded image, you can see the contents of the first slide. Next, I will show you how to convert an entire presentation into images. I comment out the code to convert one slide. The presentation class has a method called renderAsImages, which converts the presentation to images. Each slide will be converted into a separate image. This method will return an array of streams, where each stream refers to an image. Using that method, I convert the whole presentation into images. Next, I am going to convert each stream into an image. There may be more than one image stream, so I am going to create a zip folder and add the image files inside it. First, I include the system compression namespace to use zip archive class. I create a memory stream instance. Then, I initialize a zip archive class on the created memory stream with the zip archive mode as create mode. Following that, I iterate through the converted image streams. Before processing the stream, I initialize the stream position to 0. Next, I create an empty zip archive entry with the name of the image to be saved. Then, I open the zip archive entry, which returns the stream that represents the contents of the entry. I copy the bytes of the image stream to the entry stream. I increment this local variable to change the image name dynamically. And finally, I return the zip file from the memory stream with the specified content type and name. Now, let me save and run the application. I click this button to convert the presentation to images. I open the downloaded zip file. You can see 3 images, as there were 3 slides in the presentation. In this video, I showed you how to convert a slide to an image and convert an entire presentation into images. If you would like to see the working code of this example, you can download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I've also provided a link where you can see if you qualify for a community license to use our document processing libraries for free. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.